Mercury in different houses. This video is based on Vedic astrology. In this video, you will know the results of Mercury's placement in different houses in birth horoscope. Watch the video till the end and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive latest updates. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. If Mercury is placed in first house of your birth chart, then you are an intelligent person. You are soft spoken person and you will have a slim body. You are quick in action. You would not like to sit in one place. You are a little bit impatient. You would like to dress up well and you like the persons who dress up well. Your relationship with spouse will be harmonious. According to Lal Kitab, you are a good administrator but selfish and notorious. If Mercury is conjunct with Sun, then your spouse will be from rich family. If Mercury is placed in second house in your birth horoscope, then you are wealthy person. You are intelligent and educated. You are soft spoken person. You are a nice person and have matured speech. You have superb brain in respect of studies. You have good oratory skills. You get rewards due to academic performances. According to Lal Kitab, you are a fortunate person. You are intelligent and rich. You win over your enemies. You are a good orator. You will have good status. But it also indicates that you are selfish and you love only yourselves, and this position is not much benefit to your son, and this is not so good position for your father also. If Mercury is placed in third house in your birth chart, then you are knowledgeable, you are interested in sports and athletics, you are courageous, you travel frequently. There is frequent shift from one place to another place. You have business skills, and according to Lal Kitab, this position of Mercury is good for self but bad for others. This position is good if 9th house and 11th house are vacant. If Mercury is afflicted, it may result stammering. This position of Mercury also creates confusion. If Mercury is placed in 4th house in your birth chart, then you are an intelligent and educated person. You are interested in astrology. You are very much attached to your mother. You have strong intuition. You will have all kinds of comforts. You possess vehicles and you also get support from maternal relatives. According to Lal Kitab, this position of Mercury is Raj Yoga. You acquire lot of wealth. You will rise in your career and there will be marital bliss in your marital life, but you are little bit restless and always under tension. If Mercury is placed in 5th house in your birth chart, then you are an extraordinarily intelligent person. You are good in education. You have Purva Punya Balam, that is blessings from your past life. You will have definitely sons and you get support from your forefathers. You also gain in speculation. You may be high ranking official and you are interested in astrology. According to Lal Kitab, you are prosperous and wealthy. You are a good humanitarian. You can predict future. But to get best results, you should never use foul language. If Mercury is placed in 6th house in your birth chart, then you are good debater. You are connected with judiciary. You may be head of an institution. You have no enemies, but you are emotionally unstable, sometimes high and sometimes low. You are unable to gauge your self competence. According to Lal Kitab, this is exalted position of Mercury. You are large hearted person. You will have domestic happiness. You are self made rich person. You have speaking powers. You win over your enemies. You prosper in business. You get happiness from your sisters and aunts. If Mercury is placed in 7th house in your birth chart, then you are an intelligent person. You have artistic skills. Your spouse will be rich, beautiful and cultured. But this position also gives problems in marital life. You may hate your spouse or you may be sexually weak. According to Lal Kitab, you help others, you win in litigation, you face problems in marital life due to your sister. There may be lack of domestic happiness. If Mercury is placed in 8th house in your birth chart, then you are torch bearer of your family. You take up responsibility of your family. You will have good status in life. You possess black money. You may be head of an institution, but you may have sudden falls in your life. You may suffer from lungs related diseases. According to Lal Kitab, this position of Mercury is not good. You may lose wealth. You may also suffer from illness. If it is associated with Sun, Mars or Jupiter, Mercury is not malefic. If Mercury is placed in 9th house in your birth chart, then you are a poised person. You are an expert and learned person. This position is good for your father. It gives happiness and prosperity. You travel frequently. You are religious and you are good businessman or writer. According to Lal Kitab, you help your family members. If 11th house is vacant, this gives bad results. You may be wanderer. You may also get bad results if Mercury is conjunct with Mars or Sun in 9th house. If Mercury is placed in 10th house in your birth chart, then you may suffer from professional blocks. You may not reach the topmost position in your profession. You may also get bad fame. You may indulge in immoral acts. You may be ungrateful to your gurus or teachers. According to Lal Kitab, you will have comfortable life. If Saturn is well placed in your birth chart, then you become exceedingly rich, but you should not have loose tongue. You earn from your foreign travels if your second house is vacant. You are a little bit selfish and flatterer. You may be addicted to drugs. If Mercury is placed in 11th house in your birth chart, then you will have long life. You have pleasing personality. You become very rich. You win over your enemies. You enjoy material prosperity. Your children also prosper. You are famous and honest person. According to Lal Kitab, you are very rich, but idiot like all up to 34 years. Life become prosperous and comfortable only after 34 years. You may become very rich in the age of 23, 36, 48, 57 or 72. If Mercury is placed in 12th house in your birth chart, then this is not so good position. You may suffer from sleeplessness or mental disorders. Your acts are unacceptable to society. You may be hard-hearted, lazy and may not earn respect. If Mercury is associated with benefic planets, then you are a dignified person, poised, religious and you may spend money on good causes. According to Lal Kitab, this position of Mercury gives you long life and comfortable life if Sun or Saturn is placed in 12th house. Otherwise, this position of Mercury gives bad results. It gives suffering and sleeplessness. It is advised not to take wine. For complete horoscope reading, you can contact me. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com.